Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify, where we simplify finance and cryptocurrency for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily switch between your OKX account on your PC. This is great if you have multiple accounts for different purposes like trading or investment. So let's jump right in. First things first, open your browser and head over to the official OKX website at okx.com. Once you are on the OKX homepage, you will need to log into your current account. Click on the login button in the top right corner of the screen. Enter your email address or phone number and your password, and then click on login. After logging in, you will see your account profile icon at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. Now, in the drop-down menu, you will notice the switch account option. By clicking on this button, we can simply switch to another OKX account. This can save you time instead of logging in and out repeatedly. And that's it. You have successfully switched between OKX account on your PC. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Financify for more crypto tutorials and financial tips. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any other questions or video requests. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.